Hello students, in this video we will discuss about definite integral as the limit of sum. This is very important topic. What is the limit of sum? Suppose here given that y equal to f of x is a function and graph of this function is like this. Suppose this is a function y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x, and if we find through integration of this function from a to b, means a to b, suppose this is a and this is b, and as you know that integration, what is the meaning of integration? Integration means find the area under the curve. So integration of y equal to f of x, that means area of this function. Suppose this is the capital A and this is the capital B. Now area of A, B, B, A, this is the integration of f of x from A to B. Now if I want to find, since I equal to integration A to B f of x dx, what will be? We try to find the value of this by the limit of sum. That means you can see here, this is a graph and area of this region is not any definite shape. So finding the area of this curve, this region, we should be divide this whole region in the equal strip, divide by equal rectangular strips and consider as the same width. Suppose width of this is, let width of rectangular strip be h, and total number of strips equal to, suppose, n. Therefore b minus a equal to, what is the b minus a? Suppose this is the x and a o y. So from here to here this is the a, and from o to b this is the b. So from this point to this point, what will be length? This will be b minus a is equal to number of strips into width of one strip. That means therefore n(h) equal to b minus a, or h equal to b minus a upon n. This is a relation which is, we use this relation into the numerical problems. Now if you want to find the area of that region with the help of limit of the sum, we should be apply this formula, and we can write, suppose f of x equal to, this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So this will be limit are equal to a to b f of x dx equal to limit, what is the h tends to 0. H tends to 0 means width of, suppose width of this each strip nearest to 0, then limit h tends to 0, f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h plus f of a plus 3h plus dash plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. This is the actual formula for finding the whole area of whole region under the curve y equal to f of x from a to b. So now we can use this formula to find the value of or integration of f of x dx from a to b. Now we will take one example related to this. Suppose example is integration over 1 to 2 x dx. What will be integration of x from a to 1 to 2 by the sum of the limit. Now here, since a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, let f of x equal to x. Since as you see here, f of a means f of lower limit. Therefore, f of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to, sorry, I write here, since f of 1 equal to 1, f of 2, f of a plus h, that means 1 plus h equal to, on the place of 1 plus h, f of 1 plus 2h equal to 1 plus 2h, and so on, and f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into h, and b minus a upon n equal to b minus a upon n equal to h. b means 2 minus, or as we write nh equal to b minus a. b means 2 and a means 1 equal to 1. Now apply this formula. Therefore, integration 1 to 2 x into dx equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a means f of 1 plus f of 1 plus h plus dash plus f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Now transfer the value, limit h tends to 0, f of 1 means 1 plus h plus dash plus here 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Now limit a tends to 0, 1 plus up to n, that means this will be n plus h plus 2h, h plus 2h plus and so on, plus n minus 1 into h. Sorry, this formula is multiplied by h also. Multiplied by h, that means this will be into h into h. Now I write here, limit h tends to 0, nh, this will be nh plus, taking as a common h, into, sorry, I write first here h, taking as a common h, so this will be removed from h here, h into, this will be 1 plus 2 plus dash plus n minus 1, like this. Now I write on the upper side this will be equal to, that means therefore integration 1 to 2 x dx equal to limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, h into n plus h into sum of this is NAP, so sum of this will be n minus 1 whole upon 2, limit h tends to 0 multiplied by this h into this bracket, so this will be nh plus this nh into this h multiply in this bracket, so this will be nh minus h whole upon 2. Since as you see here nh equal to 1, since nh equal to 1, therefore if we apply this limit and putting the value of nh in this relation, so this will be nh on the place of nh is 1 plus on the place of nh is 1 into on the place of nh is 1 minus on the place of h is 0 whole upon 2. This will be 1 plus 1 into 1, that means 1 upon 2. LCM is 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, integration over 1 to 2 x dx equal to 3 by 2. This will be answer. That means this is the integration. This is the integration of 1 to 2 x dx equal to 3 by 2. Now in the next video, we will discuss about another type of topics.